So guys and gals, it's done. Completely done. He already replaced the shock absorber. So according to the one who's handling this shop, the manager, I can have a 100 peso discount for the price of 1,400 labor. And you know what guys and girls, good thing that he checked this old parts. This is no longer be used, but this one can be used for the next. Kuya, ano yung ko nila po ulit to, ha?
Teka.
So I think he did the best job. Bye for now.